Uniswap is a decentralized exchange that allows users to trade on any crypto pairs. Many new projects are now directly launching on Uniswap. Uniswap, paired with MetaMask, is a powerful decentralized exchange. MetaMask wallet connection set up with Uniswap. Visit the Uniswap site. Click on the Launch App button. You will be redirected to another page. Before starting any process, you have to connect your wallet. Click the Connect to a Wallet button. It will give you a list of wallets to connect. Choose MetaMask. The MetaMask app will appear and will ask you to provide your wallet credentials. Provide the correct details. Note, we have already explained how you can set up the MetaMask wallet in our previous article. Refer to it if you have not yet set up a MetaMask wallet. Once the connection is successful, you will be able to see your account details. Now the app will ask for your permission to connect your account with the Uniswap site. Click on Connect to establish the connection. Your wallet will then connect to the Uniswap site. Uniswap mainly supports two major features, swap pool. In this article, we will focus only on the swap feature. Swap by default, you are on the swap page. As the name implies, you can swap tokens here. Just select the input and the output token and input token value. The max button allows you to swap your entire token value. The system will automatically calculate the resultant output token value. Note, if you are trading a new pair, you can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.